Sa lahat po ng mga nawalan ng trabaho o in the crossroads, yung parang naiipit kayo between alam mong may mababago pero hindi ka handa, please join me in my CNYE. Because this will be a transformation series. Hindi po ito yung nakabase sa inyo pong mga forecast. Hindi po. This is actually really deep diving into your chart. And since period 9 po is a karmic year, you needed actually to apply more of your solutions, strategies, and mind shifts. So, kailangan nyo na po itong gawin. And hindi po pwedeng upo-upo. Hindi po pwedeng knowing lang tayo. Hindi po pwedeng chismis-chismis lang tayo o kwento-kwento lang. Kailangan on set. This is where the timing is so essential para po sa pagbabago. Because 26, 27 are the crucial years for period 9. No? 28 actually, yan lang po ang pagganda. So, even if 2026 is not so good, kailangan may mag-start. Kailangan may bagong magbubukas. Kumbaga sa puno, may sanga. Kailangan may bago kang source of income. Kailangan may bago kang i-introduce. Kailangan may bago kang pagkukuhanan. Kailangan may bago kang skill. Hindi pwedeng wala.